大家好，我是麦克老师。上周我们说的是不要再说 Thank you， 这周呢，我们要学会10个可代表不用谢的说法。As always, don't forget to subscribe, otherwise I'll have to stop breathing and that's gonna be really hard to make videos for you guys. Alright, so last week we talked about different ways to say thank you and thanks, and this week we're gonna talk about how to reply to thank you and thanks. 是不是不用谢 No thanks. 如果一个人跟你说 thank you， 然后你说 no thanks， 意思就是我不要 no thanks， 我不要了。这个说法有点算 Tinglish， 所以以后就不要说 no thanks。 最简单的就是 you're welcome， 但是跟 thanks 是一样，就是非常无聊，而且可能不彻底表示你要说什么。Again, we want to expand our phrases and expressions so we can sound more fluent when we speak English. The first thing I need to teach you is about the reply not at all. In the UK, this is a very popular way to say 不用谢 not at all. But in the US, it sounds very strange to say, and some people might look at you like, huh? So just keep that in mind. So let's learn 10 phrases you can say instead of you're welcome. If you want to emphasize it, you can say you're very welcome. You're very welcome. Or my favorite, no problem. No problem. You can also say no problem at all. No problem at all. The favorite of Australians, no worries. No worries. You bet. You bet. 如果要说非常地道美国口语的话，你可以说 You betcha. You betcha. Betcha 不是一个英语单词，但是如果 bet you 通过连读以后就是 betcha. Betcha. My pleasure. My pleasure. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. It's the least I could do. It's the least I could do. Or a similar phrase, it was nothing. It was nothing. Anytime. Anytime. Happy to help. Happy to help. 还有最后一个最简单的是 There you go. 10 new phrases to express yourself when you want to say you're welcome. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. And 我是麦克老师，下次再见。